Hey, we back. This is the other half of the video from yesterday, or maybe 2 days ago, that I had to split up, and so I will hand you right over to past self me, who is doing the coding. I do not expect it to even run first time, to be honest. Yep, invalid syntax, of course. Where's this? Line 63. It's just missing equals. There won't be anything major in it, I expect. You said 63, right? What? Oh, player class. My bad. My bad. I didn't know there was even that many lines in player class. I guess it makes sense though. Okay. Happy now? Run. No. Also in player class. 2 lines later. That's because I copy and pasted that. Yep, understandable. While we're at it, let's just fix that one. Run! Here we go. Player class, line 42. Once party offer on type for method and string. Yeah. Understandable. It's running now though, look. It's just, you know, it's realizing the errors afterwards. There we go. Good. At least it runs. Now let's try some commands. See if it works. So come over to Discord. Let's start with get list. Get me my list. Yep, that didn't work. Non-type has no attribute to get prefix. In main, line 67. What? Okay, so this apparently isn't returning anything. So what I'm going to do get player. Ah! Okay. Let's try again. Hopefully there aren't too many bugs. Yeah, it still doesn't work. Still not working. Interesting. I'm just going to put a random print in, stop it, start it, and then try again. Because this is how you do Python programming. Watch is running, get list. You look, it's saying player object. And that's a good start, isn't it?
Listen to music offline. YouTube Music Free. Start
Drinks.
1 month free trial.
ID. And now let's try again. I'm just gonna run get list. Don't worry about it. Here we go, online. Let's then get list. Those two are the same ID. Yes, indeed. I'm guessing it's because one of them is an integer and the other one is a string. So now I just need to find out which is which. So type ID and then actually I'll have this as a separate print statement, shall I? Type. So now tell me one of them's a string, right? And one of them's, yeah, that one's a string, and this one's an integer, isn't it? Yep. Of course it is. Goodness sake. So what I want to do is key here, key in database, What I'm actually going to do is here, let me check what type this is stored as. Client user ID, because I bet this is an integer as well. And I'm pretty sure I just want to be working in integers. So I should convert them to ints as soon as they get in. Like that. So what type is this? Yeah, that's an integer as well. Yeah, I should convert them all to integers. So look, when the player object is created here, we just do int. We go. And then in player class as well for import self. Self ID. This is going to need to be checking for strings then. If string self.id in database.keys and database of string self.id is none, self.update internal list. Ooh, and one thing I didn't do, self.set prefix. Ah, yes, because this is no longer right, okay. I know, it's fine. Don't you worry about it. So that is going to get that, and then this is just 0. And then I'll do this, I'll move this line afterwards. I forgot about the prefixing. Self.get ID, and then I want everything except for 0. So I think we want 1 colon, but let me check. Python colon indexing. Let me just check how it works, because I can't remember. Slice out certain parts, start, end from 1 to 5, 1 to end. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's 1 colon. I got it right, I know my stuff. So yeah, that's just going to crop out the first one. Because the first one, remember, is the prefix. That's the point. Okay, nice. Ah, there we go. I was waiting for that. Sorry. Right. Okay. We try again. Now everything should be an integer. Well, that's an integer. What about this? I run get list again. That's an integer. And now you seem kind of stuck. Oh wait, no list saved. Okay. We're getting somewhere, it didn't error. If I go debug keys, it did not send anything. It should be at the bottom here. What ID is this actually? Just realised. Ah, yeah, okay. Might help. Oh, because it says ID, look. Yeah, I still have no idea what ID actually means in this case, why it's like working, you know, why it doesn't error. ID isn't defined, but okay. Sure. Okay, we get list. Worked, no list saved. Yep, okay. Debug keys. Console message saying, here we go. a bunch of dollar signs. Why is there a bunch of dollar signs? Actually, that's a good point. There should only be one dollar sign. Okay, interesting. There's a bunch of dollar signs. Debug keys for key notice. Keys print key type and then the key. Why the hell? Do you think it's counted in the list? I'm not sure. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clear all keys. Is that actually the command? Yep. Now, debug keys. There should be nothing there, right? Console message sent. No, there was no crossing. Don't lie to me. Oh, there was. Yeah, it just there's no keys. Yeah, I'm going to remove some of these prints that I added as well because they are not necessary now. And fixed that. Fantastic. I think there was really only two. Well, that's the thing. I think there was another one actually, but okay. I guess we can remove these.
Make pasta without cutting to an ad. Start a free trial of YouTube Premium and cook uninterrupted.
Update list. Let's try this. That's SRKV. It's all working. Yeah, and now I'm just going to confirm with the first page. So I just did that. Update list, SRKV, confirm, list fully updated. No errors. Oh no, there were errors. Never mind. Line 70 in main. Line 70. None type has no activity to get through this. Right. Because the player doesn't exist at the time. Right, yeah, so the player didn't exist, but then it should have gone the player equals none. Player created. And then here I will do print player. Okay. Now I will run clear all keys. I will stop. I said it was going to steal. I'll still be printing something somewhere. Oh, it's because I hadn't removed them yet. Expected indent. Oh. Huh? Why? Why would you expect an indent block? What? Oh! Play and play. Yeah, okay. I still want it to be printing the people, all of the people that are on the bottom stuff. I think that'd be useful. Just so we know who is there. Alright, I guess we can use debug keys, but whatever. So no one is there at the moment. That is correct. So now if I run, say, get list, player created, and then it says none. I know why. Then, so here I need to say new player equals player, right? So, I'm just going to write that in. Player equals new player. Right? So it's been appended to the total list, but it's also been like specified for this exact command. Okay. Show keys. Did that work? It doesn't appear to have worked. Oh, right. Yeah, no, because I wrote the wrong command. Let's clear all keys. Here we go. Now, stop. Start. You shouldn't print anything here, because there is no keys. Then I run get list. Player created, player object, and then it didn't do anything. Epic. So let me go and find get list. We got update list, code prefix, playlist. That was get list. Capital value, list value, check played, get list. Here we go. So the point is there are no sublists. So here I guess I just need an if statement. If player dot get list is empty, await message dot channel dot send. This player has no list saved! Exclamation mark. Okay. Now I think we can remove these prints from up here also. That one. That one. Get list. No list saved. Okay, fantastic. Progress. Update list. You see here, get list, no list saved. Now I'm just going to run slkv. I'm not going to bother doing that, just the first page, thank you. Get list, no list saved. Yeah, I figured it'd do something like that. So update list isn't working. Of course it's not. So let's dive into the player class, do update list, and just add prints onto here. Added list. See if it's receiving the argument. I just added a print once again. Now apparently have 2 players. Oh, go away. Okay, I think that probably would have worked. It did not. Oh, really? Really? Okay, let me just type it out. Yeah, it's still not working. Okay, now it is. Oh, that's Mudae. It's created a player for Mudae. It's going to create a player for every bot. Oh dear. Not really what I intended. So yeah, so it's in this start bit here where it creates a player every time there's a message sent. every time there's a message sent in the server, it's going to start trying to create players. Which is ridiculous. That's not what I want. That's just going to clog up the database. What I should do is I should do a get player command function, whatever. So if I do up here get player, wait, I guess I just say if there is no player, create one, right? I'm not sure if it would work the same way. I don't think it would. Yeah, because this is getting it from an ID. Yeah, I don't know. I could just run this at the start of every single thing. But I feel like that is kind of silly. Okay, I think I know what I do then. So in the get player, I say player equals this. If player is none, then we do this, right? There we go. We have ID already, so we don't need that. We do actually still need that. And then we return player. Right? Then we don't need, where is it, this.
Personal guide to the world of
Player equals
sign up
get
for
player.
YouTube Music Premium with 1 free month.
No, we don't need that. Well, we do, but not there. So we copy it. So if you're trying to set your prefix, then we need the player. If you're trying to clear your list, we need the player. If you're trying to update your list, we need the player. Yeah, if you're trying to confirm, I guess. No, you don't need to be a player to do that, do you? And that will save some time. So instead, what we do is we just grab this. We just say message author ID. Right, because then that means if someone just randomly types confirm in the server and has nothing to do with the bot, then it won't try to make them a player. Right. Yeah, that works. But if they are a player and they're in pending updates already, then it will do stuff. Yeah, okay. if they're trying to get the Kakura value, they need to be a player. No, they don't. Look, what I can do. How can I do this nicely? I'm saying it will just skip to the box bit if you're not a player, right? I think what I need to do is I need to change this get player. So it just does what it did before. And then we have create player. Which does this. Right. What's wrong with this? Oh. Here you go. Happy now? Oh no. Hold on now. Yeah, there we go. You don't need that. Oh no, we do. Return menu pack. Okay, okay. Big brain things going on here. Because then here, I say if player equals none, then just like awaits message. Actually, if player equals none here, you're just trying to create a prefix. So we can make a player here. Equals create player. Message.author.id. Double equals. What's wrong with this? What do you mean never used? Shut up. It's used. Let's find name of player. Ah, yeah, I didn't think of that. Player equals get player. Message.author.id. And then if this is none, then we can have if player not equal none. Do that. What? There isn't an shut up. Okay. When I clear this, if player equals none, message.channel.send. Let's be consistent. Let's find the other error message that I sent about not having. Yeah, this. No need to actually create the play. And then else. And then this all needs to be an else as well. There we go. Create list. Now if you're trying to update list, player equals get player, and then if player equals none, player equals create player, message author ID. No, these are meant to be dots. What am I doing? There we go. So then if you're trying to update a list, it creates a player for you. Okay, next. You're trying to confirm. Yep, sure. You're trying to find the capital value. Ah, this is why I did that. Because now you can say player equals get player. You don't need to get it every time actually. What am I doing? This can go at the top. Message.author.id. Then here, look, it just skips. We can just say skip to here. So I do if player equals none. Then do that. We just get the. We can send the message. And then we can do this. Right? Block value. This is quite long, so I'll put a quick comment on. Their list. We just check the box list. Right. But this is basically the same code again. Oh, but it's only this tiny bit here, it's not a problem. I mean, you're what a function, you're reusing code for like it's like a couple of lines. It's not a problem. Okay, hopefully that'll work. Now we want to shove this at the top. If player is none,
listen to music with your screen
that says is If player is none,
Start a 1-month free trial.
we just await the message again, and then else. That. There we go. Okay, so if you've not put a ping, then we check for the player. Here we go. Target player equals this, and then here, if target player is none, again we just await that message. Await the message. Okay, nice. And then we need to return, basically, right? Return. Because basically, yeah, it doesn't work. Go away. Because this is when you didn't ping someone and you don't have your own list. Okay. Get list. We're doing basically the same thing again. Try that. If you get an attribute error, then do that. And yeah, I just realised this target player, if you ping them, they might not have one. So I can just move this down here. Like that. This should be target player. Okay, yeah. This player as well, just because that might not be them. Has not. There you go. Grammar. Oh, we can put this with an or. Oh no, we can't because that, but we can copy and paste it. Okay, yeah, that works. And then we should really put this up here as well. This is in the get list, but we should have it in check trade too. There we go. Here. So if the list is empty, it will send a message as well. Okay, nice. And then add to bot. Yeah. Do you even need to be a player to do this? I don't think you do, to be honest. No? Okay. Then you're all good, this is all good, this doesn't require you to be a player either. Okay. Let's see what it does now. Bot online. Okay. Let me just bring this back up. Okay. And then let me also bring Discord up. Here. Here. Okay. Get it. No list set. Nice. Update list. Let's look at V. Confirm. It's fully updated. Get list. Yeah, okay. But if we look here, it does have the list here. So something worked. So now let's print here. Did it update it correctly? Let me run debug keys just in case there is something in there. I doubt it. Oh, there actually is. Yeah, it's stacking up on those $signs, but I'll get to that, I guess. Oh wait, maybe that's the reason actually. Maybe that's the reason. I don't know why. Let me go to the top. When we start. No, but then it's going to do that, isn't it? Okay, let me clear these. Maybe it's no bug, who knows? Please clear it. Okay. Update list. That's what I do. Confirm. So what have we got in here then? Okay. That worked. Get list. Nothing. Debug keys. But it did, but get list was fine. So it's in export soft that it's going wrong. Let's also print here, print self.get prefix. I would not be surprised if it's just a prefix problem at this point. Clear keys, all keys, debug keys, nothing, right? Yep, nothing, okay. Now, update list, SWV, confirm.
Listen to music with your screen locked. YouTube Music Premium. Start a 1 month free trial.
973. Okay. Use a prefix. Ah, okay. Default prefix. There you go. Right. Clear all keys. Debug keys. Nothing. Good stuff. Update list. That's what V. Confirm. It's fully updated. 277. Here. Non-type. No, attribute to... Ah. Okay, yeah. I should just change that to this, because player is not default anymore. Alright. Okay, once again, try again. Clear for keys. Debug keys. Nothing. Update list. SLTV. Confirm. Okay. Get list. No, let's save. Debug keys. So we've got a string of all of this stuff saved in here in the database, which looks correct to me. It looks correct. That's great. That was meant to be that. And just to make sure that it is correct, I'm going to run all of that again. Clear all keys. Update list. SLKV. Confirm. Debug keys. Yep, that's correct. This is correct. And that is correct. Okay, so all of this is correct. Is that actually updating the list correctly? Fantastic. And the export is working too. So there must be a problem with get list. Because now if I run get list, no, it's saved. Where is get list? This value, macro value, date list, where list, where's get list? What have I just gone past it? Get list, here we go. I'm getting the no list saved message, which is in player class, isn't it? Maybe? Oh, here it is, yeah. And format list. Ah. That should be like that. It's like if it's empty, then it does a bunch of stuff, and if it's not empty, yeah, okay, interesting. What? What? First of all the keys were meant to have just been cleared, so that's interesting. Ah, it cleared the database, it didn't clear the other stuff. That is just a problem with my function. Where is it? Clear keys? Database.clear all players. Empty. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure how that happened, but let's just assume for the moment that it was that bug and ignore it. Clear all keys. Debug keys. Nothing. Fantastic. Get list. Not created a list yet. Correct. Update list. SLKV. Confirm. Get list. Ooh.
Discover new songs with YouTube Music, the dedicated music streaming service. It's designed to help you quickly find music you already love and discover new
I guess
songs
that's the right format, huh?
Start a free 1-month trial.
I was expecting actually just a plain text list, you know, like a Python list. But formatting, I guess. Formatting. That's pretty nice, actually. I like that. Good job, me, in the past. That was nice. I did not pay attention to that, but yeah, that's exactly what I want. Project player.format list. Format list. Oh, this is all of. Yeah, that's nice. Thanks, me. I like that. Well, there you go. We have this and we have that. Alright. Check trade. Now, for Mori. Is this gonna work? No. Errors. Alright. Player class. I'm 84. Target ID. Oh, yeah, there's tons of errors here now. That doesn't need to be there. That doesn't need to be there. That doesn't need to be there. Nice. This is actually finding the length of that. It should be doing self.get list. Okay. Hopefully that should be fixed. Okay, let's go over here. Get list. Yeah, see, it's done that again. What? Why? Like, what? I think it's the thing with restarting the bot. Let me just see the code that runs when it restarts. On ready. I think I know the problem. That is not, that's not, you know, because it's like a string, it's, yeah, this needs formatting, doesn't it? Okay, yeah, we've got this here again for some reason. But yeah, this is like a string, not a list. I said prefix would be a problem somewhere. So when it's ready, each player. Can't it just update itself actually? If I do import self, yeah. Yeah, look, so if I take away this and do that, and then just after here, just run player dot import self, then it should do it for me. I don't need to reformat it. Alright, that's nice. Hopefully. 3 were given. Yep, my bad. Yep. My bad. And then... Oh, it's going to be the same somewhere else, isn't it? Player... Class, yep. See, now this is default anyway, so that nothing changes. That's all correct. Oh, that's it. Just this. Okay, nice. Okay. Now I'm going to run it. I'm going to clear all keys. Okay, clear all keys. Right. Update list. SLKV. Confirm. Get list. Alright. Go to Mudae. Still not working. Okay. Why not this time? Yeah. Okay. Main 255. 225, sorry. That makes sense. Check later. Or player class line 104, I missed that one. Player class line 104. So to get list. Yep, that makes sense. It's definitely not meant to be get list. Oh no, it is. It's just you're not meant to have the database reference there. You're not meant to be referencing the database. I see. It was referencing the database, and it shouldn't be able to do that. Clear all keys. Okay. Update list. SLKV. Confirm. And then check trade now. Mori. Go to Mudae. Hey, there we go. That's kind of stupid. It thinks both of them should have the same like value, which is interesting, to say the least. This is why I say the algorithm's bad, because the one in first should be way higher up than the one in second, right? But it's not, and it has something to do with the fact that there's only 15 characters. If I put my whole soul list in it, it'd work better. But it shouldn't be dependent on that. Yeah, I'll sort it out, but at least it works, right? The algorithm here is not my concern today. My concern is making it function with classes. And it seems like we've successfully done that. So, yes. Very good. Now this ended up taking way longer than I thought, so what I'll probably do is split it up into 2 videos. I'll put a midpoint in the middle. Well, what a surprise. When we start with the testing. That's what I'll do. And yeah, we'll go from there. I will check just a couple of other commands just to see what's changed. But once those ones were working, I was pretty confident. Never mind. Never mind. Let's just see this quickly. But I do think it will generally work once those are doing fine. Int has no object declared. What player is an integer, is it? Where did you get that idea from? Here we go. Ah. none of the keys equal the bot player. Needs to actually create the bot player. So then I think what I do, because the bot can't create its own player, obviously, what I do in clear all keys, I instead say all players equals, this is a bit sneaky, isn't it? Player, right, what's it, client.user.id, I think? It just creates the bot player there. If I can find it, I want to check that that's the right thing. Client.user, yeah. So I cleared all the keys and then I did, oh wait a minute. Int has not delete the query list. What? 290. Yeah, but I just restarted the bot this again. What's wrong with you? You're not meant to still be complaining about that. Okay, let me reload then. See what it says then. Run. There we go, now it's running. Okay, good. Okay. Clear all keys. Player is not defined. Oh yeah, my bad. That's obvious. There you go. The place is signed but never used. Right, if you say so. Okay, cleared all the keys, and then I'm going to write debug keys. Yeah, there you go. The Mudae bot itself has created its own little entry there, which is empty. But yes, and it has its own little prefix. Very cool. So now if I do update top 1000, in here, wait, did it just error? It errored. What player? What? But I just fixed that. The bot player is there now, it exists. What's your problem? Oh, I need to restart it. Now it's in the database, I restart it and then it realizes that the bot player exists. Okay. So it's not like you have to restart it every time, it's just look now the bot player is there. You see? Very good. Now I can remove those prints, I think. And we've used debug keys for that from now on. Okay. Debug keys. Yep. It's in there. Update top 1000. Okay, wait, what? Huh? Oh, look, I see the error. Int. Stupid thing. The other stuff was also an issue, so it's fine that I fixed that now. I did not think that this would be the problem. What? Wait, what? Print key. Now I'm confused. It should be creating this bot, and it should be making it a player class. It thinks it's an integer because it's initialized as 1 at the top of the code. Saying that, why do I even do that? Oh dear, now it's in it twice. That's not what I wanted. Yeah, but honestly, oh no, it's not. It's because and it's exactly the same. Yeah, why don't I just? Actually, why don't I just copy paste this up here and then, you know, easy. And if I can copy and paste, well, I don't even need to. Client.user.id. There we go. That makes it a player. And then here, when you ready up, I just do this, right? There we go. As long as the key is not the client user ID, add it to the players. Okay, that should work then. What's the damn error now? Num type what? But look, it creates a client here. So why are you having a problem with it here? Oh wait, because there's no user yet. Where do you create the user? Oh dear. In fact, let's just put both of these here. All 3 of them. There's no reason for them to be up there anyway. Put them in the on ready. Here we go. There's the global variables, huh? They're not global if they're in there though. Oh no, I just realised that. Wait, I know then, I know. No, I have them in both. So if I put them up there like that, you do them there like that. You don't need these. And then just leave this out of the if statement. Oh. We set that bit to being 0. That might work. Either that, or we do the thing that I said originally. You know, we don't need to... Yeah, that actually makes more sense. Look, we can just put that there, you know. That is the bot's ID. You don't have to reference it with the silly thing. Client user ID. Like we can do, if we want. But the client user ID doesn't exist yet, we know what it is. It's not going to change. Okay, that should work. Hello? Okay, thank you. Right. Right, clear all keys. Did that work? It's not telling. There we go. It's just lagging. Okay. Update top 1000. There we go. Works now. You see, I could top KV in there. It'll do that, and then it'll error. Auto will. Damn it! I said we were done. I really did not think update top 1000 would be so much harder because I'd already got the other ones working, like the update list. It's basically the same. Right, line 290. We can at least hope it's the same fix that I've perhaps already done and just forgot about. What's the issue? Get ID, num type. What? Oh. This isn't even a check though. Message author ID equals the new message. Oh yeah, no, I see what I need to do here.
Switch apps without pausing your music.
There you
Start a free trial with YouTube Premium and listen uninterrupted.
It's just a different message. There you go. Easy. Easy fix. I said it'd be an easy fix. Now we wait for there to be another bug. I don't know why it's happening so much. There's nothing even for it to be doing. I don't have a clue. But okay, sure. Right. Update top 1000. Top KV. There we go. Oh no, did it error? Oh, it's the same bug again. It just happens again in line 103. Okay. And then pending updates, yeah. I think I've managed to make it possible to update the top 1000 without actually being a player yourself, but that's actually fine. There's no reason for you to be a player particularly in order to do that, so it does make sense. Okay, then wait. Get list of Mudae codes. Of course not. No, wait. Debug, please. A sec. It's right there. Right, look, this has been going on long enough already. Yeah, it's fine. I will continue looking at these bugs. There should be just a couple left. I'm not expecting there to be many. We've basically fixed all the commands, and the point is now it works with classes, so it's much more extendable. Which is very nice and very cool. Also, should be less bug prone, hoping. Once we fix the stuff that we already had, future bugs, I'm hoping will be easier to spot, especially since it's a lot more organised, split into those two files like that. Very nice indeed. Way less clutter at the top of here. We get straight into on ready on only line before line 50. So yeah, very good. Anyway, I'll end that one here then, shall I? Bye!